Hi, I'm Seng. So today to share with you the device of the V3 Mix. So this V3 Mix device, we can turn it, you can rotate, detach from the base, and then you can carry like this. Now handle the hand strip, carry, then taking like this, and taking order. So this V3 Mix device support for customer credit card or debit card for paywave payment, or also support for camera to scan the customer e-wallet QR code as well. If you want to change the thermal paper, very simple, click here and you can replace it. So it also support for wireless charging. This V3 Mix suitable for food truck, kiosk or cafe.
So cari POS system, cari Seng.
Find Guinness POS, find Seng.
Seng.找POS system, 找Seng.